If you've been there and you have seen my acne journey, you know that I was struggling with acne vulgaris. एक डर्मेट से ट्रीटमेंट लिया था. She put me on azelaic acid first, then we did the isotretinoin for 3 months, and then I was on oral contraceptives. After doing all these, nothing has worked on my acne ka situation. After that, I have analyzed my skin and I have done my own research and worked on my acne and acne marks, and you can see my skin right now. One thing I clearly remember, that one day she said ki can we do benzoyl peroxide, but at that time I was about to conceive, like I was planning for my second baby, so I said no. But now after delivering my second baby, and it's been almost 1.5 years now, and now he has stopped my feed completely. That's why I was so free to test everything out there which I was missing out since last 2.5 years. For my acne prone skin, I have been doing a skincare routine jisme salicylic acid cleanser was the one product, but now it's been I think 2.5 years since I was doing the salicylic acid. I really wanted to test something else. That very point of time I remember the benzoyl peroxide, and I was searching for the benzoyl peroxide in the market, but most of them were pharmacy one. But you guys know pharmacy वाले products मैं बहुत ज़्यादा I don't vouch for them, because एक तो उनके जो फॉर्मुलेशन होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक होते हैं, सेकंड बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंट हो जाते हैं, तो रिएक्शन के चांसेस रहते हैं. बिकॉज अब तक मैंने जितने भी फार्मेसी प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करे हैं, आउट ऑफ 10 हार्डली 2 have worked for me, rest 8 has disappointed me. So that's why I was looking for something which suits best for sensitive skin as well. And right at that time, Derma Co has dropped their benzoyl peroxide wala cleanser. One fine day I got the delivery and I saw the cleanser and I was like, oh, what a coincidence. Yes, my favorite, the Derma Co has launched their 2.5% benzoyl peroxide gel face wash. Now we all know that benzoyl peroxide is a great ingredient when it comes to killing the bacteria, because it can kill 99.9% of acne causing bacteria. I was like, I need to try this one out, and since then I was testing it on my skin, because I know benzoyl peroxide cleansers used to dry out the skin, because salicylic acid के साथ भी यही होता है. I have tested multiple ones and उसमें भी बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं that dry out my skin, but वहाँ पे बहुत कम options थी. कुछ ऐसे भी थे which has worked really well on my skin without drying out. So similarly for benzoyl peroxide, I was looking for a formulation जो dry out ना करे. Now let's see कि क्या इसने मेरी skin को dry out करा, and is it really effective in controlling the acne, and comment on or not. As a microbiologist and a skincare content creator, I always go deep dive into a product, like what exactly inside the product. If you are a person who love those deep and detailed reviews, then this channel is for you. But I know 87% of you who are watching right now have not subscribed yet, so it's a small request, kindly hit that subscribe button and do press the notification bell, so whenever I post such videos which might be helpful for you in future, so you don't miss out, so kindly do that. Now let's get back to the product and see what's inside this bottle. So it contained 2.5% of benzoyl peroxide, which is one of the most dermatologist trusted ingredient for acne, and it doesn't just clean, it kills acne causing bacteria. It also reduces inflammation and control the excess oil, which is great. What makes this formulation unique is the glycerin complex, which ensures the hydration. So unlike traditional acne treatment, this doesn't leave your skin dry and flaky. Plus, it's formulated with ceramides and exfoliate gently to remove the dead skin cell and unclog the pores. The product is designed and tested by the dermatologists, and it's completely fragrance free. If you go deep dive into the ingredient list, you will find bunch of mild surfactants on the top of the ingredient list. You will get aloe vera leaf extract, and we have glycerin, and then we have benzoyl peroxide, which is mentioned here 2.5%. And we have an antioxidant, which is Laminaria digitata extract. Also got ceramide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 too. We also got allantoin, which is very soothing and hydrating. Also got zinc oxide sulfonated oil in this one. And lastly, we have phenoxyethanol and some of the texture enhancers, preservatives. That is it. It is a fragrance free formulation and this one retail for just $2.99 for 100 ml of the product, which is very affordable. Texture of this one is creamy. It's a light creamy texture. It's not at all a very thick creamy texture. How you have to use it, I personally take a pea size amount because that much is more than sufficient. I gently massage it for 60 seconds. Sometimes it goes more than 60 seconds. It's totally depend on your preference. Like if you feel now it's enough, then you can just wash it off. That might take 30 seconds, sometimes it takes 60 and sometimes it takes 90 seconds, and I wash it off. Most of the time I have used it in the morning routine because that is the time when I prefer the gel cleansers, because इस तरह के cleansers थोड़ा सा soapy residues छोड़ते हैं, so I don't prefer them for the night time. So morning के time पे what you have to keep in mind that you don't use vitamin C or any of the other acids with this one, because I remember after using this when I was testing my ordinary का lactic acid toner, so थोड़ा सा मुझे irritation हुआ. So I suggest कि whenever you using it, after that don't try to use any other exfoliating products like the acids or the retinols and everything. Like you can just see for yourself. Like for me, my case मिक्सिंग बहुत अच्छे से काम नहीं करी. लाइक आई कैन नॉट पुट दिस एंड द acid together, so I prefer something which is very soothing. Like I can go for the peptides, PDRN serums, and then follow with a moisturizer and the sunscreen. And रात के time पे if you're using, then again I suggest कि either you go for the ceramide moisturizer, or if you want the toners you can go for the rice toners, like something like that. Just avoid any other acid with this one because it's also, you know, exfoliating in nature, so you don't want to just irritate your skin. So just keep that thing in mind. And of course if you're using this, you have to protect your skin well from the sun, so for that use a broad spectrum sunscreen. Now it's time for the results. So it's been more than a week since I was using this one. सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत बार लोग पूछते हैं, हालांकि मैंने पहले बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड यूज़ नहीं किया था, बट आई गॉट दिस कमेंट कि क्या बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड से यू नो पर्जिंग होती है या एक्नेस निकलते हैं पहले, जैसे यूजली बोलते हैं कि अरे अगर आप रेटिनॉल शुरू कर रहे हो या अगर आप सैलिसिलिक एसिड शुरू कर रहे हो तो वो एक पहले यू नो पर्जिंग वाला फेज आता है, उसके बाद आपकी स्किन क्लियर होती है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. इफ़ अ प्रोडक्ट इज़ वर्किंग दैट वोंट, जो ठीक है पर्जिंग वाला पीरियड होता है दैट हार्डली लास्ट यू फॉर 1 to 2 days, बट अगर उससे ज़्यादा अगर वो लास्ट कर रहा है देन दैट इज़ नॉट पर्जिंग, दैट इज़ रिएक्शन. बट विद दिस वन आई हैवंट सीन एनी ऑफ द रिएक्शन. बस मैंने एक चीज़ आपको बताई कि इफ़ यू यूजिंग एनी अदर एसिड आफ्टर दिस, देन आपको हल्की सी इरिटेशन फील हो सकती है कि यू नो थोड़ा बर्निंग लग रहा है या थोड़ी सी इरिटेशन हो रही है या बम्प्स निकल रहे हैं. सो अगर आप इसके बाद एक प्रॉपर सूदिंग एंड हाइड्रेटिंग रूटीन फॉलो अप करोगे देन यू वोंट सी एनी ऑफ द इरिटेशन. एंड येस, दिस हैज़ नॉट कॉज मी एनी पर्जिंग. लाइक मुझे कोई एक्ने इससे नहीं निकले हैं. हाँ, पहले एक्ने निकले उसके बाद वो सबसाइड हुए, बट येस एक्ने इसने काफ़ी अच्छे से मेरे कंट्रोल किए हुए हैं. एंड आई कांट इवन फील द Comedons, but इससे पहले I was using the salicylamide वाला acne face wash. That one was also working really well on my skin. But now after a week or so, I was like now it was all under control. So अब मैं इसको रखूँगी हफ्ते में 2 से 3 बार, and rest of the days पे I will be using my salicylic acid cleanser because now my acnes are under control. But अगर आपका अभी acne का वो period चल रहा है, you have a lot of acne on your face, then आप इसको continuously daily routine में use कर सकते हो. But again I will suggest start with the slow, use it once a day, and then अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको twice a day की need है तो आप twice a day भी इसको कर सकते हो. Always listen to your skin. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ just listen to your skin because everybody has a different skin type, everybody is a different, because skin care is very subjective. अगर ये मेरे लिए डेली काम कर रहा है ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके लिए वो डेली काम करे. You have to listen to your skin. तो वही है कि अपने आप आपको try and test करके देखना पड़ेगा. But one thing I can make sure that it's not at all a irritating formula, it's not at all a drying formula. If you're a dry acne prone skin, you can go for this one. It won't dry out your face, that is my guarantee because I have tested it. मुझे कोई भी dryness feel नहीं हुई है. But yes, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हाइड्रेटिंग स्किन केयर फॉलो करती हूँ. आई यूज़ 2 to 3 layers ऑफ माई राइस टोनर एंड देन आई यूज़ द पेप्टाइड सीरम, देन फॉलो विद अ मॉइस्चराइजर. सो कीप दैट थिंग इन माइंड. बट इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल formulation. I absolutely love it. And if you're interested to get this one, I have a special code for you which is Bhavna 2025 for 20% off, but only on the Dermaco's official website. And whenever you will be purchasing anything from them, you know you will be helping to educate underprivileged children through their Young Scientist initiative along with the Bhumi. So make sure whenever you purchasing, इनकी साइट से परचेज करना, कोड भी अवेल कर पाओगे as well as इनकी हेल्प भी कर पाओगे. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell as well so you never miss our amazing content. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.